This video is about showing you how to prune your pepper plant because you want to avoid irregularities in fruit sets. You want to avoid them aborting early and the likes. So come closer. Now, when you have a growth habit like this for your pepper plant, what I want you to keep in mind is the bogus leaves, like what you have here. These leaves here, they are the most important parts of this plant. Whilst, unfortunately, the root system is the weakest part for bell pepper production. So what you want to do is you want to um, steer your plant in a way that you will not overload the root system. So you have to prune correctly. Now, this is the main stem of your pepper plant. When it gets to about this centimeter tall, it bifurcates. By bifurcation, the stem splits into two. Now you have this and you have this. Now what you want to take note is you don't want to leave any side shoots so that you will not leave a lot of suckers so that they will not overload the root system. So what you want to do is you want to take out the weakest parts of these two stems. Remember, the main stem bifurcates into two. The two will bifurcate into two. Now, out of the two of the secondary shoot, you take out one, which is the weakest one. This is late pruning. This should have been done early. Now, you take out this, reducing, see the number of flowers I have removed. I have removed flowers and I've removed smaller leaves too because these leaves suck energy from the plants. This is the only one that gives the plant energy. So also, you want to do the same thing for this one. So you take out these side shoots. Also, remember this is late pruning. I should have done this early, but I'm just showing you what it should be like normally in their growth when they are growing. So you have 1, 2. You have increased the energy load of this now. You do this roughly in the morning or later at night because you don't want them to be overly stressed. Now, this one here too, we branch into two stems. Now, if you notice, I'm having flowers here. So something like this has aborted. But don't worry, what you just need is about 20 fruits in the life cycle of the plant. So if one of it or two should abort, it should not give you a challenge. So you take this two out. Look at this also. You take this. Remember, you are taking out this, the weak stem of the two. So now you have pruned. Don't worry, they will develop more. You have one fruit here. This will not abort. This one too, although has aborted, but you would get the replacement later. You see this also. This one here. You see that um it won't fall off. It will open up and nothing will happen. So you are pruning out the weakest or the weaker of the two stems. You're taking this out. Look at the number of buds that should have taken energy from the major plant. So that is all about pepper pruning. If you want to develop good fruit sets, size, and shape. Yeah, thank you very much. I hope you understand this. So